Hello, today we are solving Jan 2024 Unit 2 IAL paper. Question number 2, part D we have to solve. So here it says that evaluate the project to build and operate the 5 new warehouses for HJK Storage PLC using the calculations made and considering any other relevant factors. So in the first part we had calculated net present value for the investment. Then we had to calculate average rate of return for the project, okay, due to this investment, and what will be the payback period for this project. So HJK Storage PLC is investing in 5 new warehouses, so we had to calculate the investment appraisal parameters for all of them. Now it is asking us to evaluate whether the project to build and operate the 5 new warehouses is good or not using the calculations we made. So let's see here. So for the case, okay, what is the positive points? You will say yes, you have to invest in the project. Yes, okay, yes for investing in the project is that we can see that the average annual profit was okay around 387,760, and the accounting rate of return was 77.55% for the first 5 years. So we had already calculated. So this is around 77.5% we are able to recover back, okay, within 5 years. So which is a good investment. So it is you have to state and comment on that. This is a healthy return and higher than the cost of capital, which was 10%. So cost of capital was 10%, which is going out, but you will be able to recover at least 77.5%. The payback period is less than 2 years. It just took 1 year and 4.99 months alone to recover the investment. Net present value is positive around 1,295,647, which we had calculated. If it is a positive, it is a good and a worthwhile investment. Okay, we had calculated here net present value in the part A. So you will write that and say all these are positive indicators. Now, no, you will not invest. Okay, no, not investing. Okay, not investing in the project is because the investment has a fixed life of only 5 years, after which the government will take over the site. Here the initial thing they had said that they have been told the government will take over the land on which the warehouses are built in 5 years time to build a motorway, and they will not be paid any compensation. So even though it is a worthwhile investment, what about the returns are of investment after 5 years, because the government is going to take over. So are there any other sites in the locality that will be available for the longer than 5 years? You have to consider. So he is also asking us to consider other relevant factors. Other relevant factors means whatever you have assumed, all these are estimations and projections. You have assumed it will be occupied by this much, the occupancy rate they have given for the calculating the revenue is this much. You are going to charge this much and the running cost are going to be this much. All these are accurate or estimations, okay, or projections. So what if it was occupied less than 50? What if something happens and the warehouse was not being utilized even 75% or 95% as was predicted here? Then that is the other relevant factor you have to consider. So whatever the figures, okay, you have calculated, these are only predictions or projections and might not be accurate, and this might result in the actual figures for net present value, accounting rate of return and payback period being different. Okay, it could even become negative, okay, if this was not true, all these figures. Then having HJK Storage carried out any market research to verify these figures? Have they done exact, how did they calculate these projections? Have they done market figures? How can they charge 35 pounds? What if the competitor was charging at a 32 pounds and everybody goes to the competitor? All such things you have to do it for a market research to get the exact selling price. Okay, the storage industry is growing sector as populations and the mobility are increasing. The demand for storage facility appear to have an upward trend. Storage facilities will increase in value, and it is also told that okay, it is considering to increase the storage space. Probably there was a demand. Okay, what is the demand for the storage space? So you can make an assumption saying that is there a demand. You can also question here to write what was the demand for the storage space in that area, what was the selling price, okay, of the figures you have calculated, what if the running cost exceeds than estimated. All this will lead to inaccurate calculations of the net present value or the accounting rate of return or even the payback period. So in that case, okay, you have to consider all those points as well, he is saying, apart from the calculations we have done. So but in conclusion, generally you do all this and get these figures and then calculate. So and if these figures are positive, you can make a conclusion it is a worthwhile investment for HJK. Probably they are looking only for 5 years